How to create a new price book. The balance of this video instruction series, you'll see a different screen. It was made with one of our older versions, but all the instructions are applicable to the version that you have.
How to create your own database, which we call price books. The first thing you'll want to do is to click on File, then move your cursor down and click on Price Book List. From the Price Book List, you can go to the Add New and in the Code and type in a code. We're going to just put in Test for this time. When you hit the Enter key, it'll create the price book. Hitting the Enter key one more time will come in and let you put a description. We'll also use Test PB for the description. Hitting the Enter key will take you to the place to decide on the format. In another session, we'll discuss the item formats. For now, I want you to notice the top title bar where it says Easiest Advanced. In a left and a right square bracket is RESD and a bid to the right of that. That tells us the code and the bid we're currently on. For now, we're going to bring up this price book we just created. To do that, we want to click on the Use button on the right hand side or press the F8 key. We're going to do that now. Now it's asking to open a bid on a newly created price book, and it already automatically puts in a couple small template jobs. We're just going to click OK. And you'll notice at the top of the title bar now we have test in square brackets instead of the RESD. Creating your own price book, the next thing we want to do is enter in the organization, the divisions, subdivisions, before we actually start adding items. To do that, we want to click on Price Book menu at the top and the first choice, Divisions. Now I have sized the division list for the purpose of demonstration. And you have first division and add new division here. You simply type in the divisions, give them a code, and then you would do the subdivisions. To do the subdivisions, you click on Price Book and Subdivisions, and now we have both the division and subdivision list up, and you add the subdivisions. After you have the divisions and subdivisions, then you would click on Price Book and go down to the PB item list and start adding your items in. You should go to the electronic help system by clicking Help and Contents and viewing how to build your price book for additional information. One of the most important things is allowing space for additions later on, especially in your items. For right now, for instance, in the divisions, we go to Add New and we add a concrete division in there, for instance, and I'm just abbreviating for shortness here. When we hit the Enter key, you'll notice it gave it division 3, or 2 that is actually, and we can make that a different division, like make it division 4 by simply typing over it, and it moves it into the 4th space, and that's an easy way to give you space between 1 and 4 for additional divisions there. And the same is true in the subdivisions and in the items also. In the next session, we'll discuss actually building each one of the items. For now, we want to click on the window menu and close all except bid item list. We click on that and it'll just simply close each one of these windows without us doing it each one at a time.